Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and connectivity so nothing interrupts troubleshooting. First, charge above 50% and connect to Wi-Fi. This prevents shutdown during updates. Next, identify recent app installs or system updates that could cause restarts. Note the date so you can target changes. Finally, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times if you need to access advanced reboot and logging tools. Once done, you'll be ready. You now isolate the cause. Reboot into safe mode to see if third-party apps trigger the restart. If the phone stops restarting, an app is the culprit. Use developer options or Logcat to capture system logs during a restart, which reveals kernel panics or driver failures. Once you identify suspects, uninstall or disable them, then clear their cache and data to remove corrupt states. Make sure to test between changes so you know which action fixed the issue. You finish with targeted fixes and verification. If logs show software causes, install pending system updates or roll back recent updates where possible. Updates often patch stability bugs. If problems persist, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort to eliminate software corruption. If restarts continue after a reset, consider hardware, test, or replace the battery and check for overheating. If uncertain, take the device to a repair center. If a restart still happens, collect logs and report them to support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.